Senator Mushtaq Ahmed Khan has just parted ways with the Jamaat-e-Islami. And what is the reason? Most probably you will be knowing all the leadership of Jamaat-e-Islami, including Mushtaq Ahmed Khan, their background is very weak prior to the time they joined the Jamaat-e-Islami. And all the leadership comes from Islami Jamiat Talba, including Mushtaq Ahmed Khan Sahab. Islami Jamiat Talba polished the ordinary into the extraordinary, and they developed the new personalities. So happened with the Mushtaq Ahmed Khan, and he became the top leader of Islami Jamiat Talba like many other. After that, he joined Jamaat-e-Islami like most of the Islami Jamiat Talba people do. And here too he was given the important responsibilities, including the responsibility of KPK Chief of Jamaat-e-Islami, including the senatorship. But once he was not having any very important responsibility, then he started working on his own agenda. You know that the responsibilities keep changing in Jamaat-e-Islami. Like, ex-Amir of Jamaat-e-Islami, Sirajul Haq, he served the 2 terms as the Central Amir and remained the Central Amir for 10 long years, 5 terms each, 2 terms. But now he is no more the Jamaat-e-Islami chief. And likewise, all the leadership keep changing. So then what happened? When he was not having very important responsibility, he started working on his own agenda, although it was not much different from the agenda of that of Jamaat-e-Islami. But still he was not working it. He was not working upon that particular agenda from the platform of Jamaat-e-Islami, rather from the platform of his own. So that annoyed Jamaat-e-Islami leadership, that it is the matter of discipline. They asked him either to come into the discipline or to resign, and he opted to resign. And that is okay, no problem. Jamaat-e-Islami creates the new leadership. That is, new people will be given the opportunity and the new chances. And some of the people says, maybe he himself too says, Jamaat-e-Islami did not want him to go to the Gaza. As a matter of fact, Jamaat-e-Islami sent a bigger caravan. Under the banner of Al Khidmat Foundation, it was having the billions of rupees, worth of aid. Now again, Jamaat-e-Islami asked him to go with that particular caravan if you want to. Again, Jamaat-e-Islami is going to send another caravan, of either 20 billion rupees or more than that.